Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G30 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the capture settings category, and here we have the leveler option. So by using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera, and here we have now this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture and hold our device steady. And as you can see, when we have it steady, we have the leveler in the orange color. So this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again, slide to the capture settings, and use this button to turn it off. So for now, the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.